Texture's everywhere, in everything we see, everything we touch. So why is it so often absent in design? The default setting is clean, unobstructed color, and that might work in most cases. But if we're trying to create a connection to the real world, why wouldn't we use texture and take it from the screen to something we can feel without touching? We want it to accent, not dominate. Like a touch of salt, we want it to complement the piece without overwhelming it. Not enough and it's bland, too much and it's distracting. There's thousands of texture packs, filters, and mockups out there, along with endless places to find them. Some are actually pretty good and can help drive the right aesthetic. But for this, we don't need them. We're doing it ourselves. Open up Photoshop and create a new document. Now, the settings we're working with might look kind of funky in the beginning, but just trust me, you'll see what I mean in a minute. We're going 9000 by 9000 at 300 dpi. If this seems way too big, it's because it is, but don't worry, we're not actually saving it. Pull your artwork in from Illustrator just by copying and pasting it. We want the piece itself to sit pretty small in the Photoshop document, about this size. Zoom in so you can see what you're doing, and then select Noise from your Filters tab. This will bring up the amount window. Usually between 10 and 20 is a safe bet. The color always affects the noise, so it's kind of by eye. You should end up with something like this. We're going for a lightly textured paper look. Basically, Photoshop is simulating the way light and shadows interact in the micro peaks and valleys of the paper. Because of this, blacks and whites will be pulled slightly gray. From here, bring a screenshot rather than save to keep the file size down. Airdrop to your phone, and that's the whole process in a few quick steps. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'm James. I'll see you in the next one.